Hey, I'm so excited to share this with you. A few months ago, I was honestly just looking for something more. More purpose, more income, more freedom, without burning out in a 9 to 5 or selling stuff I don't believe in. Then I came across this amazing opportunity with Unicity, and it completely shifted my mindset. It's not just a side hustle, it's a chance to build something real, something aligned with health, freedom, and helping others. I joined a community of positive, driven people. I started promoting a product I actually use and love, the Feel Great system, and I began growing a business that fits into my lifestyle, not the other way around. What I love the most? I'm part of a supportive team. We lift each other up, we share tools, we train together, no gatekeeping, no pressure. The product is powerful. People are looking for real solutions to burnout, weight gain, low energy, and this actually helps. You don't need experience in sales or marketing. I didn't have any either, but the system works, and the support, next level. If you've been wanting something more, to earn from home, feel good in your body, and make an impact, this might be exactly what you've been looking for. DM me now and I'll send you the full details. No pressure, just real info, real results, real opportunity. Let's grow together.